Welcome to another installment of Loyal and Save training. In this session, we'll be covering how to create trigger points campaigns. To navigate to the Campaigns module, click on Loyalty, Campaigns. Then click on the Add New button. Static tokens. The static token reward allows customers to earn a set number of tokens when they buy certain products. When the customers reach the specific threshold, they will receive a predetermined token reward. This is a goal-based campaign used as a punch card. Our system will track internal progression by point value assigned to products in the Manage Campaign filter section. Each product is assigned its own point value, which does not change based on the quantity purchased or if a blacklist is engaged. Once the progress has met its trigger value, the static token reward will be given to the customer. For example, the customer will purchase 5 Classic Coke 16-ounce cans and will receive 1,000 tokens as a reward. Each UPC in the item whitelist within the Manage Campaign filter will have a point value set to 10 to track the internal progress. And the internal progress, because they're purchasing the 5 Coke cans, will be set to 50. Customers can also be awarded tokens for visiting your store. For example, on the 10th visit to your store, tokens can be awarded to your customers. This concludes our Loyal and Save training on how to create campaigns.